Here's how to make your friends list private on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram and say you go to a friend's profile, in this case, just Carolina basketball, you'll be able to see in every instance, if you follow an account, you'll be able to see the followers and following. The following is their friends list, aka everybody that this account is following. And I can tap on 277 and I can see what the other accounts that this account is following. In this case, UNC basketball players, etc. Now keep in mind, if you wanted to hide this for your account, you really have only two different options to be able to do that, unfortunately. Unlike Facebook, that it's fairly simple to just be able to make that entire friends list private. Your one option on Instagram is if you don't want one specific account to be able to see your friends list, you can just go to their profile, in this case, for instance, Carolina basketball, and you can tap at the very top right on those three dots, and then you can tap on restrict. Or another option is to tap on those three dots and tap on block. So you can either choose to block that account or restrict that account, and they won't be able to see the information in your profile and they won't be able to see your friends list. However, this doesn't work if you don't want anyone to be able to see your friends list, and maybe you don't necessarily want to block that account. So if you don't want to block that account, all you have to do instead of doing that, instead of going through that process, let's go into your settings. So tap on your profile at the very bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now that you're in your settings, again, there's no way to really control your friends list beyond preventing anyone from being friends with you in the first place. And the only way to do that is to go to account privacy and turn on private account. Now this isn't ideal and there's no great options on Instagram to be able to do this, but if you turn on a private account and they don't follow you, they will not be able to see your friends list. However, if they do already follow you, they will be able to see your friends list, and you'll need to remove them as a follower, essentially prevent them from seeing any of your posts, your stories, etc., your reels. And that is really the only way that you can prevent them or hide that friends list from someone.